In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all tasks in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly view every task associated with your account in one place. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account on your browser or desktop app, and that you're on any main screen, such as Today or Inbox. At the top of the interface, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper area of the app, often on the left side of the top bar. It might show your initials or a small avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu related to your account settings and activity. From the menu that appears, look for an option called Activity Log. This is where Todoist keeps a detailed record of what's been happening in your account, including tasks that were created, completed, updated, and more. Click on Activity Log to open that view. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of history, but once it's open, you'll see a timeline of different events. Now, at the top of the activity log screen, look for an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This works like a filter or menu button for the activity feed. It's usually near the top area of the page above your list of events. Click on those 3 lines. This will open a panel or drop down that lets you refine what kind of activity you want to see. In that filter area, you'll see different event types, such as completed items or added tasks. Since we want to see all tasks that have been created, choose the option labeled Added Tasks. Click on Added Tasks and the activity view will update so it only shows entries where a task was added to Todoist. This gives you a clean history of every task that has been created. To narrow this down specifically to your own tasks, look for a person or user icon near the top of the activity log, often close to the filters. Click on that person icon. You'll see a list of users who have access to the workspace or projects. From that list, select your own name. Once you select yourself, the activity log will refresh and now show only the tasks that were added by you.